Hi everyone, this is the MikroTik CRS310. It's having 9 ports. As you can see, from port 1 up to port 5. This is for 1G, 1 gigabyte, and then port 6 to port 9 is for 10 gigabytes. We have a console port here, and then we have this Ethernet PoE in. We have a reset button right now here. As you can see, we have this is a good switch, a cloud switch, which is very amazing. As you can see, yeah. In background here we have the power, okay, and for oh shit. So that's how this is the Sierra 310 switch, okay, and its power is here. As you can see, this is the power, the great switch. This is not this one, okay. Oh, you know what is this? This is special for wool, putting wool. So this is 310 switch.